Oxidation number. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are discussing about oxidation number, the most important topic in chemistry. This topic is so much important whether the students who are preparing for the MCAT, Neet or MDCAT. Mostly this topic seems very important one, and the students are seem confused or perplexed while solving the problems or knowing about the oxidation number. Oxidation number is simply, you can say, is an apparent charge. It's a charge. Mostly this charge is on an atom in a compound, or you can say in ion. Atom or ion. It's a charge on atom or ion in a compound, and its value you can say may be positive, negative or zero. That charge on an atom or an ion may be positive, negative or zero. Why? It depends upon the charge of combined atoms, in what state they are, whether they are in a combined, free state, what the exact situation they are. So this charge will be depending on it in a molecule. Here are rules for oxidation number. How oxidation number will be decided? First rule says that oxidation number of all elements in a free state, whenever they are uncombined state in of atom, is taken as 0. Uncombined state, when they are in a free state, they are not combined with anyone, this means it will be 0. Like, you can take simple examples like potassium, chloride, H2O, O2, Cu, all that have whenever they are in a free state, but what the charge they have, it will be 0. Now second rule is speaking about or saying that oxidation number of monoatomic ions. Monoatomic ions is same as the charge they appear on it. Simple, you know that Na, sodium, has a +1 charge, it will be a +1. Sodium is +1 charge, it is +1, and calcium, Ca, +2, +2 is the charge. Calcium is +2. Simple one, you can easily say. But sum of oxidation number of all elements in a neutral compound is 0. How you will say that? It will be simple, easy, you can understand that. Here is a H2SO4. You know that oxygen is -2. But what about the hydrogen? Whenever these are combining, H2, here is a positive charge, here is a negative charge. So whenever they are combining, they make a neutral compound, and the neutral compound has a simple, as I already told you, is 0 charge. 0. Okay. Then what about the oxidation number of oxygen? You know that the oxygen has a simple -2. Okay. Then what it is in such condition when it is peroxide? In peroxide, oxygen is -1. Why -1? Here is an additional oxygen is seen. Na2O2, H2O2, mostly we know that it is H2O, but here H2O2, you mean one additional oxygen is seen. Whenever the additional oxygen is seen, but in the superoxide, it is -1/2. Superoxide is a highly reactive one, very highly reactive one, you can say, and -1/2. K, you can say that, see that it is KO2. And in an oxyfluoride, it is a special kind, it will be a +2 whenever oxygen is fluoride. Oxidation of hydrogen in a covalent compound. You know about hydrogen is assigned a +1 charge. Simple, every student of the chemistry know about it. It's +1. Oxidation of hydrogen in a covalent compound is +1. No doubt in it. Every student knows about it. But what about in a metal? When it is in a, you can say, metal state, this is combining like sodium, or you can say potassium. What will be? What will be is condition then is metal hydride is oxidation number is taken as -1. Sodium, potassium, now here is hydrogen is -1 because it is combining with metal hydrides. Okay, now what about when it is combining with 1A and 2A elements? What it will be? Is simpler one. Whenever it is combining with whenever it is taken 1A element and second A element, whenever it is assigned with 1A elements, like elements of 1A group like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium, it will be +1. And whenever you will see group second A like beryllium, or you can say magnesium, calcium, selenium, barium, it will be +2 respectively. 1A and second A. 1A group +1, second A group it will be +2. Oxidation number of fluorine in all compounds. Fluorine all compounds it will be taken as a -1. Why -1? This is an important one, mostly important question or important MCQs is this one. Why? Because it is most electronegative atom. Most electronegative atom. So that's why it's -1. In all elements you can say compare it is most electronegative one. Oxidation number of halogen elements in a binary compound is also taken as -1. Always taken as -1. Yeah, but one condition is seen. That condition is except when they are bonded, in more electronegative halogen or oxygen. And polyatomic ion, the sum of oxidation number in polyatomic ion, sum of oxidation number of all atoms present in them is net of ionic charge on them. They will be cured. Like that, if you see SO4 -2, the sulfur will be +6. Whenever you find the charge, it will be charge on it will be +6. It's a polyatomic ion. That's why. Here the one problem is seen over here. Oxidation number is Na2S2O3. We have to find. We know that here in the oxygen is -2. Why oxygen is -2? Because oxygen is not seen as a peroxide, neither it is seen as a superoxide. So what we will see? We will see or assign it as -2. Okay, we will see Na +2 +2, and here the sulfur +3 is oxygen is equal 0. 2 multiplied +1, it will be 2 + 2s -6 is equal to 0. Why -6? 3 multiplied to 2 is 6. Now 2s is equals +2 will be here. It will be assigned as +4 because 6 minus -6 +2 it will be 4. -4 will at the transferring at the other side of equality, it will be +4. 2 will be divided by will divide the 4, it will be 2. Now here we have taken sodium as +1. Why +1 is taken as a 1? Because it is now here in a monoatomic ion. Monoatomic ion, you know that it will retain its own charge is +1. That's why. Okay, now the second one here we have seen over here, that one is MnO4 and then -4 charges. It will be Mn +4 oxygen -1 oxygen, we know -2. 2 multiplied to 4, 2 multiplied to 4, it will be -8. Here is a -1. When it -1, it will be magnesium +7. So this one is the oxidation number which we did. This oxidation number is important one, and the rules which we have actually read They are also important one, and every student should first memorize, or you can say easily grip or on these rules. Then oxidation number will be so easier one for him to crack any exam.